guys, it is Amor and I'm mom's phone today because I left mine at home and I'm in somebody's house. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make slime with clear glue. It's clear glue, as you can see. You could find glue pens, or you could use any kind of, you could use Elmer's glue white, you could use Elmer's glue clear, you could use glue pens, you could use whatever kind of glue you have. So now, you want to get Lysol disinfectant spray. It does not have to be this one. They have a lot of other ones, like Lysol power toilet bowl. You could use that, but it won't be as good as this one I'm about to show you. So let's get right to it. So we need something to mix. I've been mixing, and we need some. Sorry guys. So you need something to mix with, and something to mix in, and then you need the glue. I don't know why I have two. As you can see, where did it go? Okay, and you need this disinfectant spray. And if you don't know that this is going to work, I'm going to show you some of the slimes that I made. I put it in the refrigerator. I made this little one, and yeah, I call it rubby because it's like really rubberish. Now here's another one I've made. It stretches a lot. Now I'm like, I wish I could poke it for you, but I can't because see now. Here is another one. It does stretch, like yeah. And then I made it bigger. Sorry, just have to get it. I'll just show you this. It all some of them fell. Is that, as you can see, it is clear. It's like kind of like something, but yeah. So you came here to watch how it will look, and I took so long. So let's just get right into it. So you would want a clear, nothing else in there. And I'm gonna make a small one because I made a lot of them, and I don't want my glue to run out. So you could put how much ever you want. So I'm just gonna pour that in there. And yeah, I'm not making a lot, like I said, so yeah. Yeah, so now you want to get your disinfecting spray and spray for like, that's good enough. Okay, so let me see. So yeah. So I already have some up here. Okay, so now you're gonna get your utensil and start to mix. You can see the progress happening. Like the progress. It's really good. Now if you want to add more, you could. I'm just gonna add more because I want mine to be really. I don't want mine to be sticking in there. So yeah. So now you want to get your hands and get them and you just want to like Play-Doh it out, like just like keep on doing it until you feel some stickiness. So just grab some out of the bowl, put some on your hands, and then just start to do this because it is going to work. Okay, so yeah, and you can stretch it actually. It has that thing, like when you put it on your hand, it just takes it all off, and yeah, and now I'm gonna show you. It does stretch, and so yeah, bye guys. Bye.